Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be painting an old picture frame pastel pink to fit my kawaii room aesthetic. So yeah, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Instagram and Twitter are down below, and let's get started. Hello, you guys ready to do a DIY today? Well, too bad you can't because you're fish. But I'll do it. So the first thing I did was clean off the frame with a microfiber wet little cloth to clean off all the dust because it has been sitting at my papa's house for the past probably 70 years. This is probably from the 50s or 60s. Got my paint and started painting it pastel pink, my favorite color. So just went in and filled in all the creases in the corners, took my time, and yeah. My paint was a little thick. I had to thin it down a bit, but other than that, it came out pretty good. And then I just did the paint. Filled in all the corners and the creases and painted on the sides. And then I realized later I should go and get some blue paint and crystals to make it look even better. So that's what we're gonna do next. So yeah. So I went to Michael's and I got this stuff. Sha! 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 Wa-da-da! We got the goods. We got some Swarovski crystals for extra bling. We got some glue to glue those on. And we got some paints to add depth. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, I just kind of went in, added some pink paint and added some blue paint to really make the engravings in the frame come out a little more. Although I didn't like the darker color painted I only added a little bit of that because you see on the corner there I kind of made a mistake. But then I went in with the blue, made it look really princessy and kawaii, and yeah, I just thought it was really good. Yep. And then I glued on the crystals. Yep. Thanks guys for watching. As you can see, I'm still moving stuff around and don't know quite how I feel about the frame. I mean, it's super pastel and kawaii, but like, I don't know, I took off that other poster off my wall. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I keep this here or should I move it? But anyway, I hope you did like this DIY. It's super cute and super kawaii. And yeah, thanks for watching. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye!